Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. But this is my son, Infiniti. It's a G37x. And that X means that you can put it in four-wheel drive. But I'm gonna show you how to locate the auxiliary plug if you want to play any music off YouTube or SoundCloud. I'm gonna show you where the plug is at. So we're gonna get into this vehicle. And I thought the plug was in the glove compartment. It's no plug in the glove compartment. I'm gonna show you where the plug is at. It's in this middle console. You just open it up and you look down there on the right hand side. You'll see a USB plug. That's for your auxiliary. So only thing you need to do, you can either get a wireless or you just get your charging cable. This is for the iPhone. And I know this side is down and this side is up. And I usually never pay attention to that, you know. So I know that's up, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna plug this in. Once I got it plugged in, I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle up. And you got your volume control right here, up and down. It's pretty nice, so you can use your roller button to turn it up or down. But what you want to do once you in your vehicle, you want to go ahead and plug your phone in. This is my iPhone. And at the same time, it's charging it also. You notice right there it says file loading. It automatically load. I didn't show you that. I'm gonna unplug it again so you can see it. I'm gonna unplug it. It's on regular radio. Watch what happened when I plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in. And it's gonna recognize that plug. You see, read and file. There you go. And you see, it's already playing. But if it's not, you just have to go hit your auxiliary and find iPhone or whatever. But it automatically recognized it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to YouTube. I got a playlist and just start playing, and it'll start playing on this song. It'll override the other song. Shall prosper, no, it won't work, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, it won't work. Or you can go and find your other music. You ready? And that's really it. Okay, and if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.